Today, we're sharing how to make the fiery chili crisp chicken sandwich by Avocados from Mexico. We start with the bottom of a toasted brioche bun as our base. Next, spread a layer of avocado chili crisp aioli using your avocado tool. Layer on your crisp shredded lettuce right on top. Next, place your spicy fried chicken breast on top of the lettuce. Then add a slice of pepper jack cheese. Next, spread your fiery chili crisp oil right on top of the cheese. And top it off with 2 crispy strips of bacon. Spread more avocado roasted garlic chili crisp sauce onto your toasted top bun and place it right on top. Finally, hold all this goodness in place with a wooden pick. Now you're ready to serve the fiery chili crisp chicken sandwich by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.